Hey, what are you doing down there? You looting that bastard? It's okay, dude. I'm not trying to thirst you over it. You could have it.
Here, I'll drop you the power stove.
No. No. I'm doing the trial. You're good.
I don't want to be that guy.
Listen, we're gonna extract together. Let's go loot it. You can have all the cores. I don't care, okay? Straight up, I'm serious. On my life, let's go.
Okay. I've got 4 on me.
I just picked up a 5th one here. You can have it.
6? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, right there on the ground.
Head home at the central elevator.
No, it's my pleasure, man. All right, it's getting kind of late. We can wait a little bit longer, or we can just push for the extract. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's get out of here now.
I'm gonna do something a little silly here. Stay hidden. I didn't realize it at the time, but my friend was being aggressed by a hornet in the background.
It's all good if he goes.
This was it, the last chance. Low on health and ammo, felt like me against the world. Until it wasn't. From off screen, Raiders saved my bacon and gave me a chance to pay it forward. Keep crawling, keep crawling. I know, keep crawling towards the extract. We got time, we got time. A low health friendly. With the leaper in front and a rocketeer behind, I had a decision to make and a promise to keep. On my life. But nothing is over until the elevator doors close. Hit the button! Hit the button! Get him out of here! Live, damn it, live! I'll make it! Yes! We did it, brother! We did it! We did it! Ah!